Hi everyone! Today we're going to master the art of cooking one of the most unique and delicious veggies out there, the artichoke. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what to look for when you're buying artichokes. You want ones that feel heavy for their size and have tight green leaves. And if you squeeze them a little, they should squeak. That's the sound of a fresh artichoke. Before we start cooking, we need to prep our artichokes. Rinse them under cold water and then cut off the top inch and the stem, leaving about an inch. Remember to use a sharp knife to make this process easier. The simplest way to cook an artichoke is to boil it. Fill a pot with enough water to cover the artichokes. Add a little salt and lemon juice to give them some flavor. Then, put the artichokes in and let them boil. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer for 30 to 40 minutes. To check if your artichokes are done, pull a leaf from the middle. If it comes out easily, they're ready. If not, give them a little more time. Another fun way to cook artichokes is to grill them. Cut them in half lengthwise, brush with some olive oil, and grill them for about 5 to 6 minutes. Once your artichokes are done, serve them with your favorite dipping sauce. Pull off the leaves, dip in your sauce, and enjoy the tender part of the leaf. There you have it, a simple and delicious way to enjoy artichokes. They're a great addition to any meal. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this tutorial, and subscribe for more fun cooking videos. See you next time.